having interacted with the JIBU app, it ensures faster access to medical knowledge, which is so convenient to the healthcare worker in today's health field. And this is because the relevant disciplines that most healthcare workers interact with on a day-to-day basis are featured in the courses that are offered. And the fact that it can be accessed through the mobile phone makes it easier to access it even during the doctor-patient interaction. It's something that is going to improve a lot on the patient care that we are going to offer from now henceforth.
The JIBU app will help me while I'm making a diagnosis. I can use it as a reference tool. I can also use the app to further my learning and to be able to do more research in future.
This app is very important, and it's actually timely in this era where the world has become a global village with interconnectivity. And as a lecturer, the app is going to help in facilitating learning for the students with the updated knowledge that the app has and so much content. It's going really to help in helping the students cover so much of the content, much of which may not really have time to be covered in the curriculum for the nursing course. The app is also going to broaden my knowledge in terms of the basic knowledge in nursing and the skills. The app, I've also found out that it has got a number of videos which are really going to help in acquiring better skills, especially in the management of emergency care for our patients, which will actually help in achieving universal health care.
With the JIBU app, I'll earn more knowledge and I'll be more equipped to the skills on how to manage my patient in the ward and outside there in the community, while I'll be offering my services outside the community.
I'm finding this is a very important application for us, especially for the students, because it's a very interactive system application for our students, where even the tutors, the lecturers are able to make it interactive with the students. And I believe that especially now, those already, especially the senior students, can be able to learn and interact with the app very well, which will be able to increase their knowledge without much struggles. As a college, we are going to embrace this because it's a very crucial hub for our students to learn these particular modules, which will be able to impact in their knowledge, because as we looked at it, is competency-based programs which can be able to empower students. They learn new skills. As they graduate, they will be very competent in their performance.
You have come at the right time, that we had planned to update our staff on the issues of nursing care, for them to be able to be skilled, and also so that they can offer quality care to the patient. Now that you have come in to partner with us, this is really going to help us without having the staff going out for a training, because I've learned that this will be done during their free time, and they'll be able to take care of the patient and as well as doing the training at their own time.
The app will be of great help to us, the healthcare providers, in the fact that it will enable us access knowledge, maybe that which we didn't get in school, and also getting updates as they will be coming up. So it will enable us giving maximum care to our clients. And the good thing is that it's free, they don't charge, and so it will enable us get we'll be certified after the trainings, and it will increase our market opportunities, and it will help us grow as healthcare providers.
The app is very convenient because with the information that it's offering, it is going to make it easier for me to manage my patients in the department and even to other departments, because it's possible to find myself in other departments in the same hospital. So it's a very convenient app and very helpful.
Okay, it really helped focus for one. It has the subtract of the units we are doing, and some units they are recaptured, and they have the specific conditions, the specific signs and symptoms, so it is even for me to apply them in my clinical areas, in my exams, and in my day-to-day encounter with my patients and my clients. Okay, this app is helpful because you can use it everywhere, anywhere, with just your phone. Either you're working, you're out there. It's a CME, that is continuous medical education. So I keep on studying and learning more.
For once, in my studies, it's an interface between the theoretical work that we normally do in class and now the case studies that normally in the app, because we have we have the management and we have the posts. It gives you a platform in which you're able to assess yourself on what you're getting in class and probably what you've grasped out of the context. First of all, within the app, there are case studies that are being given. And I'm able to use the case studies to better myself in terms of how I'm able to manage my patients. And again, it's a requirement of the regulatory bodies nowadays that you must have continuous assessments. And within the app, there are those courses that you can be able to get and get certificates for the same. So I think for the certificates would help me in my accreditation, and I'm renewing my licenses and all. First, I would say I'm grateful for the chance that I was given to go through the app. It's a nice app, having interacted with it. I would encourage anyone in the medical field to have the app, go through the app. It's going to improve your management of the cases, and it's going to give you a better aspect in the field.
I love the grading part from the pre-test that we have carried out, because just you get the results immediately, and this one makes it more exciting and also motivates one to learn even more.
I appreciate interacting with the app because first of all, I didn't even know there's such an app that was existing. So today I've learned something new, that through that app, I'll be able to improve on my education. The content in that app will help me in my studies and will help to give me more knowledge.
I'm grateful for the chance AMREF has given us to interact with the app. It's a nice app that I would recommend to anyone in the health profession. It gives you an interface between the theoretical work that you've done probably in classes and what you probably expect to deal with in the day-to-day cases. So I'm grateful for the chance, and I'm grateful to AMREF for the training and the introduction to the app.
The knowledge that you're going to get in the same, I'm going to make sure that is shared with our fellow students and also with the community.
I'm just appreciating the app because I'm glad to learn something new.
Having gone through this app, we will be able to take it down to our colleagues in the wards and ensure that they also have this same training. And this will improve on the outcomes in our facility, resulting in a happy mother, happy baby, and happy and healthy baby, as well as a happy doctor and midwife at the end of the delivery process.